What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code and pay using Google Pay, step by step, so you can make quick and secure payments. First, open the Google Pay app on your phone and make sure you're logged in and have a payment method already set up, like a bank account or card. Once you're on the home screen, look for the Scan QR Code or Pay option. Tap on it, and Google Pay will open your phone's camera. Now, point your camera at the QR code provided by the store, vendor, or person you're paying. Make sure the code is clearly visible and centered on your screen. Google Pay will automatically scan it. After the scan, you'll be taken to a payment screen. Enter the amount you want to pay if it's not already filled in. Double-check the recipient's name to make sure you're sending money to the correct person or business. Next, tap Pay and confirm the transaction using your PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock, depending on your phone's security settings. And once the payment goes through, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen, and the transaction will appear in your Google Pay activity. If the QR scanner doesn't open, make sure Google Pay has camera permission enabled, your app is updated, and your internet connection is stable. And that's it. That's how to scan a QR code and pay using Google Pay quickly and safely. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.